Answering MCAT questions in under 60 seconds. In a study of the effect of a novel compound on enzyme activity, a Lineweaver-Burke plot is used to analyze the changes in enzyme kinetics. The compound is found to increase enzyme activity by enhancing substrate binding without affecting the enzyme's affinity for substrate. Which of the following is most likely to change on the Lineweaver-Burke plot after adding the compound, right? So remember that the Lineweaver-Burke plot looks something like this, right? It's 1 over V naught plotted against 1 over the substrate concentration. And this is a double reciprocal plot of the line of the Michaelis-Menten equation. And it's the plot of a line, right? It's a linear plot. And remember that the y-intercept, so where it crosses the vertical, is actually 1 over V max. Okay, and then the x-intercept where it crosses the horizontal is negative 1 over the Km, and don't forget the negative sign, right? So they're saying that this compound they're investigating is increasing enzyme activity. So it sounds like some sort of activator, right? However, it's saying that it is not affecting the enzyme's affinity, right? And remember, the Km is reflective of the enzyme's activity. So since it's not affecting it, we don't expect the Km to change, and we don't expect the x-intercept on the Lineweaver-Burke plot to change. So that should stay the same. However, if it's increasing the enzyme's activity, then theoretically it should be able to convert more substrate to product per second, right? And so that means that actually the maximal rate of the reaction, when all those active sites are filled with substrate, should also be higher, right? And so if the Vmax increases, then 1 over Vmax decreases. And so the Lineweaver-Burke plot under that circumstance is actually going to have a smaller y-intercept, right? So it's going to be somewhere down here. And so this plot is going to change in the following way. Well, let's make it a little bit more obvious. Let's say it's like this, okay? And so that means that, first of all, the y-intercept changes, the x-intercept stays the same. However, the slope, okay, because if you look at the answer choices, they mentioned the slope is actually also going to change, okay? It's going to decrease specifically because it's gone from up here to down here, right? The rise over run has decreased. And so therefore, the x-intercept stays the same, right? So A is wrong. And then B here is going to be the correct answer because it says the slope and y-intercept change, but the x-intercept stays the same. So that's the best description of what would happen.